Today I will be showcasing my macro settings that download. Link in my bio. We want to be macroing in Pine since it is the best file to macro in. We also want to use e_lol drift comp and gather with shift lock so we can pop more bubbles. Then we want to have rotate camera at none and 2. Then we want width and length at 3 nm. Minutes 10 pack percent 95. And to hive by walk depending how good you are. We then want to be killing spider. Scorpion is optional. We won't need wolf or mantis because we will spawn them when we are macroing in our failed. You can put on auto vicus B if you want. The bosses you can probably kill yourself. I would recommend using every bees mass thingies except gingerbread house. I would recommend using any dispenser except treat honey and royal jellies. Ticket clock is optional, same as your memory matches. Boost is just blue. Quests are optional for polar power. These are my planter settings. I would recommend using them. You can use any planters though. We want to put in our movement speed, whatever hive slot you chose, and how many bees you have. The rest is optional. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, smiley face,